Hello, kids. My name's Eli, and today we're going to be reading I Am Sharing by Mercer Meyer. I share with my sister. Sharing with the sister right there. I share my puppets. I share my tiger. I share the shampoo. Look at them in the tub together. I share my blanket. I share my crayons. I would share my toothbrush, but Dad says that's not a good idea. See? Dad's saying no. I share my puppy, but I still have to feed him. I share my beanbag. I share my sandbox, but I don't share my digger. That's where he draws the line. It's too bad. I share my ice cream. I share the TV, but when it's time for my favorite show, no. When I want to play baseball, I share my bat and glove. I even share my hat. I share almost everything with my sister. Now I have to teach her to share with me. See, she's not going to share that lollipop with me. It's not nice. And that's the end of that story. Thank you, kids, for joining me in reading I Am Sharing by Mercer Meyer. Thank you. Have a great day.